Building an AI agent doesn't need to be daunting. Today, I'm building a smart research assistant agent using Claude, and I'll show you how easy it is and then test out a few different prompts. So here I have a prompt where I've described exactly what I need, a smart research assistant agent with a clean UI. It should let users ask any question, search the web using Claude's API, and display the answer beautifully. Make it look professional and demo ready. Let's go. Here you'll see Claude starts to get activated and it starts drafting the artifact right away. You can see it's importing React, it's creating methods, it's getting going, and within a few minutes or less than a few minutes, we'll actually see the result. It's even providing example questions. And one of the key things you will see once it's published, and it not only gives you the ability to ask questions, it's also providing you sample prompts that you can use right away. And one thing you just noticed here as well is that it will edit its own code live. All right, there we go. We have our smart research assistant, and you can ask it anything. Let's ask it, what are the most recent AI breakthroughs? We hit the ask button. It's researching. As you can see, the UI is very clean. And what's important to note here is that this happened without writing any code. Claude generated all of the code. You can see the output right here in a preview. And then when I want to hit publish, I will be able to do that very easily as well. All right, it's researching the question. Any second now, we're going to get a response to the most recent AI breakthroughs. There we go. It's that simple. It talked about quantum computing, robotics. There we go.